Hello everyone, this is Samuel from WP Coworker, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can have a shared network media library for your WordPress multi-site. By default, WordPress site in the network has its own media section and that is not shared. For example, if I go to the root website and upload a sample image, it's not gonna be accessible to any of the subsites. To quickly show you, I'm gonna access the subsites site 1 and site 2 and navigate to media section. And as you can see, the media which I just uploaded on the root site is not accessible or available here. For one of our clients, there was a requirement and they wanted to have shared media library for your multi-site so that any site can access any of the image uploaded within any of the site. Sounds confusing or tricky, but it is not. This can be very well achieved using HumanMade's Network Media Library plugin. So I have that plugin downloaded with me and I'm going to show you how that works. For the clarity, I'm going to clean up the image which I just uploaded and navigate back to the network plugin section to add the new plugin. Since I have the zip file of the plugin downloaded, I'm going to drag and drop to install it. So I'm just doing that and clicking on install now. Once the plugin is installed, I'm going to network activate it because that is required. The plugin either needs to be a MU plugin or it needs to be network activated. It cannot be activated per site. So once the plugin is network activated, I'm going to go back to site section and going to access dashboard of the root site. As an example, I'm going to upload one image and show you that it can be accessed from any other subsites. So I just uploaded an image to the root site media section and I'm going to access the site 1 media now. So here I can see that image. Now what if I upload the second sample image balloons in the site 1, which is the subsite? That image is gonna be accessible and available in the root site as well. I just refreshed and you can see it here. And that the same image will also be accessible to other subsites within the network. See, you can see it under the site 2 as well as under the site 3. And as a last example, I'm going to upload another image to site 3 and that image will be available to all the sites. Thus, you now have a shared media library for your WordPress multi-site. This plugin by default uses site 1 or the second site, site ID 2, as the owner of all the media. You can observe that you cannot delete any of the media from any of the other sites. You can only delete that from site ID 2. So site 1 in my case is site ID 2. I just hovered on the edit link and on the bottom left of my screen you can see that it has site ID 2. So if I go to site 1, which is site ID 2, I can delete any of the image, and deleting that would delete on all the sites because that's the owner of the image. So I'm just refreshing the other sites and you can see that image has vanished. I hope this helps and keep watching our videos. We are WP Coworker. We work with you for you to bring an online presence for you or your business. Cost should be your last concern. Thanks for watching. Take care.